So I've got my mini fridge here. Now this was gifted to me so I can go ahead and show you everything it comes with and then also the features. Now the size of this is right around 10 liters or 2.6 gallons. I mean, this is really good for dorms, bedrooms, office, I mean, even camping too. So we've got a latch right here on the side. It's always going to stay shut with a click. So I like that. So it's real easy to go ahead and make sure it's shut. We do have two shelves here, which are removable, and we have two smaller shelves in here, which these are all removable too. It just really depends on how much room you need inside here. When you want to remove it, you just pick it up and just pull it right out. I mean, it's that easy. Now this does have a tempered glass door, and what I like about it, it does come with a white marker, so you can actually write notes on the front of this, which is pretty cool. And then since it is portable, it does come with a handle. This weighs right around 8 pounds, so it's not heavy at all. And on the back side here, we do have a fan, our on and off, and we've got two plugs right here, two receptacles for your two cords. So you can go ahead and plug this one into, say, a standard outlet if you're going to be maybe using it in a home, or if you want, you could use this in a vehicle too. So you can use this into a cigarette lighter, and it has a 12-volt source, so you can go ahead and make this very, very portable and just take this anywhere you need to. Now this does have a maximum low temperature of 40 degrees, but no matter what the ambient temperature is, the lowest it's going to go is 32 degrees below the ambient. So for example, if it's 90 degrees outside, we're looking at 58 degrees inside here. I love this. Is super portable. It's got a handle on top, and even when it's running, it's very quiet. So it's definitely something you could use right beside your bed in the dorm room, like I mentioned earlier, or your office, or just take out on a camping trip. Hope you found this review helpful.